Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smart band with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your smart band, and you can turn it on by plugging it to a charger. Once you plug it to a charger, it will turn on automatically. And after the band turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now, find the language you would like to use on your smart band, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will see the QR code, basically telling you to download and install the Mi Fitness application to pair the devices together. So, go to your iPhone, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search button, tap on the search bar and type in Mi Fitness. You can always scan the QR code to redirect you to the app. I'm just gonna do it manually. And on the list of apps, you will see the Mi Fitness application. Tap on it, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. And in the app, you may see pop-ups about the permissions, for example, the Bluetooth one. This one is required, so tap on Allow. And if you don't see any more pop-ups, tap on Start. Check the first box, tap on Agree. Tap on Region. Scroll through the list, find the region you want to use. Then tap on Next. And you should see the health page of the app. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and here you have this big Add Device button. Tap on it, tap on OK, and as you can see, you need to log in into Xiaomi account. If you don't have an account, tap on Create Account button right here. You can also use the SMS login. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. And after that, we need to also check this box to sign in. After you log in, you will be redirected to the device page again. You may see some pop-ups about the permissions. For example, this one, this is for the notifications. And if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your smart band, you will need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next, we have the location permission. This is useful for some features like local weather, tracking your activities on the map and stuff like that. So if you want to use those features, allow the permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Then we can also turn on the sync. This is useful if you have multiple devices and you want to sync all of the data from them. And finally, you should see the device page. Tap on Add Device. The app will start searching for nearby devices. It should detect your Smart Band 9. Tap on it to select it. Tap on Pair. Tap on the check mark on the smart band. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. And once you see the Done button, tap on it. Here you can check the boxes to update the smart band automatically if you want to. And then tap Done. Go through the tutorial. And you can also create goals, basically for the steps, calories burned and stuff like that. I'm just gonna tap on Use Default, but if you want to, you can create your own. Tap on Got it, and at this point you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band on the device page, and if you wake up the screen on your band, you should see the watch face, which means that the band is ready to use. And that's how you pair this smart band with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.